everybody, I'm Attilo Tanner. Welcome to a brand new video of Next Talk. I hope you're all doing well. It's been a little bit more than 2 weeks since last time around, so we are due for an update. We're going to go over a Q3 report because Q3 is now finished. That's the period between July 1st to September 30th. So we're going to look at different indexes. Then we're going to go over the different highlights of some of the companies reported and then the regular reporting. All right, for the different indexes, we know it's been bad, but how bad has it been? Well, we start with TSX, the Canadian index. They had a 2.2% decline for this quarter. The total year-to-date is minus 13.1%. Dow Jones Index had a minus 6.7% decline this quarter, and it's minus 21.5% for the year. S&P 500 had a minus 5.3% decline this quarter, and year-to-date is minus 25.2%. Nasdaq had a minus 4.1% decline this quarter, and total for the year so far is minus 33.2%. So as you can see, it's a quite broad decline all over the indexes. And we hope the Q4, which started now from October 1st to December 31st, is going to change those things. We shall see. All right, let's look at the different highlights. Micron reported a minus 20% decline for year over year. Target rate for them I have is $67. Nike reported a 4% modest year over year growth. My target for them is $158. So there is an upside for Nike. All right, let's go to the regular reporting. And here we're going to go over the value stocks in US market. Exxon Mobil moves to spot number 1. They moves 2 spots up. Meta Platform moves down to spot number 2. And Taiwan Semiconductor moves to spot number 3. Here we're looking at high market cap companies with low price to earnings. Dividend stocks in the US market. AT&T is number 1. Total Energies is number 2. And IBM is number 3. Growth stocks in the US market. Xpeng moves 1 spot up to spot number 1. Lyft moves down to spot number 2. And Bilibili is a newcomer on spot number 3. They had a 5% year-over-year sales growth, while the stock price has declined heavy, minus 79%. Sea Limited, who was in the list before, is now out of top 3. This list is made up by looking at the sales growth for a company, comparing it with its stock price performance during the same year, plus to the date when this report is run. So we extrapolate from that time. By that, we make a big list and we put all companies there. We balance it with their price to sale ratio as well. And that's what we get. Those companies here in the growth is considered more attractive ones. At the bottom, the pricey ones is the bottom of that list, so they are the least attractive basically, because I consider them pricey. Blackstone is number 1 there, Snowflake is number 2, and Regeneron Pharma is number 3. All right, let's go to the Canadian market. We're going to start with the value stocks. Royalbank is number 1, TD Bank is number 2, and Canadian Natural Resources, a newcomer, spot number 3. They have a $84 billion market cap with a price to earning of 8. Bank of Nova Scotia, who was in the list before, is now out of top 3. Dividends in the Canadian market. Tourmaline Oil is number 1, Enbridge is number 2, and Keyera is number 3. The growth stocks in the Canadian market. Air Canada is number 1, LightSpeed is number 2, and Parkland Corporation is number 3. Pricey ones in the Canadian market. Onyx is number 1, Franco Nevada is number 2, and Turquoise Resources is number 3. All right, this completes the report for this time around. There are going to be much more companies being presented as the Q3 results are starting to come in. And that's going to also probably change some of the listing as well. We shall see. All right, be always careful when you're purchasing stock. Gather as much information before jumping ahead. Thank you so much for watching. If you like those videos, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out when the next video comes out. All right, take care. Bye-bye.